Did you know that nearly half of all motorcycle riders still believe that laying their bike down is the best way to avoid a crash? Or that some people think loud pipes actually save lives? Well, guess what? These so-called facts are actually complete myths, and believing them could not only cost you money, but maybe even your life. Today, we're busting 10 of the biggest motorcycle myths that will blow your mind. Strap in, grab your helmet, and let's hit the throttle on this one, because some of these myths might just surprise you. Number 1. Motorcycles are always faster than cars. The age-old debate about bikes versus cars. Ask any new rider and they'll swear motorcycles dominate anything on the road. After all, a high-performance sport bike can hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, leaving most cars in the dust, right? Well, not so fast. While motorcycles have insane straight-line acceleration, that's only part of the equation. The moment you introduce corners, braking, and high-speed stability, things shift in favor of 4 wheels. Cars have wider tires, better aerodynamics, and superior grip, allowing them to out-corner and out-brake motorcycles with ease. Ever tried chasing down a well-driven Porsche or even a modified Miata on a twisty road? It's humbling. Not to mention, high-end supercars like the Bugatti Chiron or McLaren P1 pack so much horsepower and advanced tech that they can dust even the most powerful motorcycles, both on the straights and around a track. So yes, motorcycles feel faster because of the raw, unfiltered riding experience, but when it comes to real-world performance, the idea that bikes are always faster than cars is pure myth. Number 2. You can't ride in the rain. Ever had someone look at your bike and say, "Guess you're not riding today, it's gonna rain"? Like, do they think motorcycles just shut down when a drop of water hits them? The truth is, riding in the rain is completely possible and, in some cases, even enjoyable. In fact, experienced riders know that learning to handle wet roads improves overall riding skills, making you smoother and more confident in all conditions. Now, yes, riding in the rain requires adjustments. The road gets slick, especially right after it starts raining when oil and dirt rise to the surface. That's why seasoned riders take it easy for the first 20 to 30 minutes until the road washes clean. Modern motorcycle tires are designed to handle wet conditions, with grooves that channel water away. So as long as you ride smoothly, maintain a relaxed grip, and avoid sudden braking or throttle jerks, you'll be just fine. And here's a huge myth. Buster rain doesn't automatically increase crash risks. According to studies, weather is a factor in less than 2% of motorcycle accidents. The real danger comes from rider error and inattentive drivers, not the rain itself. So, unless there's a full-blown hurricane outside, don't let a little drizzle scare you. Number 3. Laying the bike down is your best option in a crash. It looks like some kind of heroic last-second maneuver to avoid disaster. But here's the truth. Intentionally laying your bike down is one of the worst things you can do in a crash. Think about it. If you lay the bike down, you're essentially throwing away all your braking power and control. Once the bike is sliding on its side, the only thing slowing you down is metal scraping against the pavement, and that's nowhere near as effective as using your brakes. Modern motorcycles are equipped with powerful disc brakes, ABS, and grippy tires, all designed to help you stop as quickly and safely as possible. If you stay upright and brake properly, you have a much better chance of avoiding an accident or reducing the impact. So where did this myth even come from? Mostly from old school riders and cruiser enthusiasts whose bikes had terrible brakes back in the day. In some rare cases, like if you're about to slide under a semi-truck, it might be the lesser of two evils. But in nearly all normal riding situations, your best move is to use proper emergency braking and swerving techniques to stay upright. Number 4. Motorcycles are dangerous death machines. Let's be real, motorcycles do come with risks. There's no airbag, no steel cage, and no crumple zones. But does that mean hopping on a bike is basically signing your own death certificate? Not even close. The truth is, while motorcycles can be dangerous, most of the risk comes from rider behavior and lack of proper safety measures. According to studies, a huge percentage of motorcycle fatalities involve riders who weren't wearing proper gear, especially a helmet. And let's not forget that nearly half of fatal motorcycle crashes involve alcohol. So, is it really the motorcycle that's dangerous, or is it the choices some riders make? Here's the deal. Riding a motorcycle safely is 100% possible. With the right gear, defensive riding skills, and a responsible mindset, you can greatly reduce the risk of an accident. Many experienced riders go their whole lives without a single serious crash. Moreover, modern bikes come with ABS, traction control, and rider assist tech that makes riding safer than ever before. Number 5. They're cheap to own. A lot of people think that motorcycles are the budget-friendly alternative to cars. After all, they cost less up front, get great gas mileage, and don't take up much space. Sounds like a financial win. While it's true that you can buy a decent motorcycle for way less than a car, that's just the beginning. The real costs start piling up after you get the bike. First, let's talk about gear. If you're riding safely, you're not just buying a helmet. You need a good helmet, jacket, gloves, riding pants, and boots. That can easily add up to $1,000 or more. And know that $50 gas station helmet isn't gonna cut it. Next, maintenance. Unlike cars, motorcycles require frequent maintenance, and skipping it isn't an option unless you want to end up in a ditch. Chain adjustments, oil changes, brake pads, and tires all wear out faster than on a car. Speaking of tires, motorcycle tires are smaller but more expensive than car tires, and they need to be replaced way more often. And then there's insurance. Depending on your age, experience, and bike choice, your insurance bill might be shockingly high, especially if you're insuring a sport bike. And let's not forget the biggest trap of all. Once you start riding, you'll want more. More gear, more upgrades, another bike, maybe a track day or two. What started as a cheap hobby quickly turns into a money pit. Number 6. You can't carry anything on a motorcycle. A lot of people assume that motorcycles are completely impractical because they don't have a trunk or back seat like a car. But here's the reality. Motorcycles can actually carry a lot more than you'd think. First off, let's talk about luggage options. Ever heard of saddlebags, tank bags, tail bags, or top cases? These storage solutions attach directly to your bike, giving you plenty of space for everyday essentials. Need to haul groceries? A backpack works just fine for smaller trips, and cargo nets or bungee cords can help secure extra items. Riders have been known to carry everything from laptops to full camping gear on their bikes. Some motorcycles, like adventure bikes and touring bikes, even come with built-in storage that rivals small cars. And let's not forget the ultimate flex couriers and delivery riders around the world rely on motorcycles every day. If people can transport food, packages, and even furniture on 2 wheels in some countries, your excuse about not being able to carry a gym bag sounds pretty weak. So no, motorcycles might not have a trunk, but that doesn't mean they're useless when it comes to carrying stuff. Number 7. Loud pipes save lives. You'll hear it from plenty of riders, usually the ones with straight-piped cruisers or sport bikes that sound like a jet engine taking off. The idea is simple. If your exhaust is loud enough, drivers will hear you coming and be more aware of your presence on the road. Sounds logical, right? Well, not exactly. The reality is, most of the noise from a motorcycle's exhaust is directed backward, not forward. That means by the time a driver actually hears you, you've probably already passed them. And let's be honest, most people in cars are too distracted by their phones or music to even notice. Moreover, modern cars are more soundproof than ever, so unless your pipes are insanely loud, the average driver isn't going to hear you until it's too late. Now, don't get me wrong. A throaty exhaust sounds amazing and can make riding more fun, but it's no substitute for actual defensive riding. If you really want to be seen and stay safe, bright riding gear, reflective materials, and smart road positioning will do way more to keep you alive than an obnoxiously loud exhaust. Number 8. All bikers are rebels or criminals. A lot of people still believe that if you ride a motorcycle, you must be part of an outlaw gang or living some rebellious, law-breaking lifestyle. You know, leather jackets, tattoos, and a deep love for breaking the rules. But here's the truth. Most bikers are just regular people who love motorcycles. In fact, many motorcycle clubs and riding groups focus on charity work, organizing fundraisers, and supporting local communities. Ever heard of Bikers Against Child Abuse or the Patriot Guard Riders? These are bikers who dedicate their time to helping people, not breaking the law. Reality is, riding a motorcycle isn't about being a rebel. It's about passion, freedom, and the thrill of the open road. Some riders are into sport bikes, some love cruisers, and some just commute on their motorcycles because it's cheaper and more practical than driving a car. So, not owning a motorcycle doesn't mean you're an outlaw. It just means you prefer 2 wheels over 4. Number 9. You need a big, powerful bike to be a real rider. Some people look down on smaller bikes like 300cc motorcycles or scooters, acting like they're just for beginners, or people who aren't serious about riding. But here's the reality. Riding isn't about engine size. It's about skill. A smaller bike doesn't mean a lesser experience. In fact, many experienced riders prefer lighter, lower displacement bikes because they're more fun, more agile, and way easier to handle. Have you ever seen a skilled rider carve up a twisty road on a 300cc bike? They'll leave some dude struggling to control his 1000cc monster in the dust. It's not about the bike, it's about how you ride it. Even professional racers don't start on massive superbikes. They train on smaller, lower-powered motorcycles to master their technique before upgrading. And let's not forget, around the world, millions of riders use small bikes as their primary transportation. Not because they have to, but because they're practical, efficient, and in many cases, faster in city traffic than big, heavy bikes. So if anyone tries to tell you that you need a big, powerful bike to be a real rider, just smile, twist the throttle, and leave them behind. Number 10. Helmets do more harm than good in a crash. Helmets limit your vision, break your neck in a crash, and you're better off without one. Sounds like a confident statement, but it's completely false. Every study on motorcycle safety proves the opposite. Helmets save lives. Let's start with the most ridiculous claim that helmets break necks. This myth comes from the old days when helmets were heavy and stiff, but modern helmets are lightweight, impact absorbing, and specifically designed to protect your head and neck. In fact, studies show that wearing a helmet reduces the risk of fatal head injuries by nearly 40% and the risk of brain injuries by 67%. And as for helmets limiting vision or hearing, that's nonsense too. Helmets are designed to meet safety standards that require a wide field of view, and most riders actually hear better with a helmet on because it cuts down on wind noise. If helmets were dangerous, professional racers wouldn't wear them, and neither would law enforcement officers who ride motorcycles daily. That's all for this. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends.